Alright guys, so it's just about been a full month since I finished painting the last pieces on the car. So it's pretty much ready, to be washed, wet sanded, and buffed. So I was going to wait a little bit longer, but right now I don't have anything else to do, and it's not going to hurt anything. So I'm going to start by just power washing the whole thing off. So I got it outside right now, and it's the first time I've seen the whole car outside in the sunlight since I sprayed the rest of it. So it's kind of cool just seeing it all together now out in the sun. Obviously the hood's propped and stuff, but the thing is just covered in dust. The entire car is just covered in dust. I got a box of sandpaper there, 2000 grit. There's about there's 50 pieces in there. What I gotta do is I gotta take this water bottle, spray down the entire fender, nice and saturated. I already wetted my sandpaper. I'm just gonna kind of show you here what I have to do. Just like this. I'm doing this in real time so you guys can kind of see how this would be pretty annoying to do the entire car, which is what I have to do. I'd say I might have got about 50%. Okay. Some of the black nubs that were in there, like a couple little black specks of dirt, are gone. What is your problem? Huh? What's the matter, puppy? Some of the black dirt nibs are gone. And that's what I'm trying to get out. Because most of the other stuff is just surface nibs that you'll never see anyway. So once I hit all that, just keep working around the fender. Sandpaper starts cutting, you'll have to flip it. Alright, so I'm sure that's getting boring for you, but just imagine that spot I just did. Gotta do the entire car. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I'm finished. Everything except for the rear bumper I skipped, and the hood I'm going to kind of come back to. So there's a few things, just kind of walk you through, show you what's going on real quick. So over here, obviously, you can see the back bumper still has quite a few dirt nibs in it. Like if I wipe that off, you can just see all like the little dirt specks. But just look how clean that quarter panel is now. Continues the whole way through the door, the fender. It just looks amazing now. But I am going to be repainting this quarter panel because there's a spot right here. It's very hard to see. You can probably see it now. But I burnt through the clear just a tad bit right there, and I want to get that taken care of. And a couple little spots where you can see the body work through the paint, and I just want to redo it and make it right. The spoiler looks pretty good. Like I said, everything came out really nice. But I'm actually doing something, a little bonus clip for the day. Got my pair of Ray-Bans here, and I dropped them the other day, and somehow it landed directly on the lens. You can see like a nice scratch in it. And like if I put this as a filter and the light catches it, you might see the scratch, you might not. There it is. So I see that in my line of vision anytime I have these things on. And it's right on the front. It's not very deep. I mean I can catch it with my nail, but it's not terrible. There it is, right above my thumb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet sand this with 3000 grit, and I'm actually going to buff it. Same process I used on the car. Just see if I can get that scratch out. That would be awesome. Well, I didn't know if it would or not, but it actually worked. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate you watching. Car's coming pretty far. Like I said, we're done with paint work now. Wet sand buff's done. I'm going to respray that quarter panel, and going to wet sand buff the back bumper, get the front bumper done whenever that shows up, and I think we're pretty much done. So besides that, anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you again soon.